Welcome to Patashala. If you are curious about a wide range of topics and love expanding your knowledge, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can join us on this exciting journey of discovery. Let's dive into today's lesson. Coastal areas are dynamic and ever-changing environments where land and water meet. Geomorphological features in these areas are a result of complex interactions between geological processes, climate, ocean currents, and human activities. Some of the key geomorphological features of the coastal areas include beaches, coastal dunes, spits and bars, lagoons, estuaries, fjords, sea cliffs and erosion features, barrier islands, coral reefs. Among them, in this video today, we will discuss about the formation of fjords. Today we take off on a scientific journey deep into the Earth's history to uncover the intricate processes behind the formation of fjords. These majestic natural wonders have captivated us for centuries, and we will explore the crucial role of glaciation in shaping fjords and the sequence of events that transforms a glacial valley into a fjord. To truly grasp how fjords came to be, we must first understand what a fjord is. Fjords are long, narrow inlets of sea flanked by towering cliffs or steep mountain slopes. They are a result of complex interaction between glaciers, land, and the sea. The primary architect in the formation of fjords is the glacier. Glaciers are massive, slow-moving rivers of ice that have immense erosive power. During the last ice age, approximately 10,000 years ago, large parts of the earth were blanketed in ice, including the regions where fjords are now found. As glaciers moved forward, they acted like enormous bulldozers, pushing, carving, and scraping away the landscape. This action created what we called U-shaped valleys. Picture a giant ice floe moving through the land, pushing aside rock, soil, and sediment. These initial deep valleys and troughs became the initial foundations for fjord formation. Once the glaciers melted away, the land began to change. This is where isostatic rebound comes into play. During the Ice Age, the weight of glaciers pressed down on the Earth's crust, causing it to sink. When the ice melted and weight lifted, the land began to bounce back, making much like a foam ball regaining its shape when you release it. This uplift led to the steep cliffs and towering mountains that surround fjords today. Glaciers not only created the initial U-shaped valleys but also played a significant role in deepening them. As the glaciers flowed through the valleys, they scraped against the bedrock, grinding and eroding it over time. This relentless process resulted in the valleys becoming even deeper, which would eventually allow seawater to fill them when the glaciers retreated. As the Ice Age ended, the climate warmed and the glaciers receded. They melted and returned to the sea, simultaneously raising temperatures caused the sea levels to increase. When the rising seas met the deep U-shaped valleys carved by glaciers, something remarkable happened. The seawater flowed into these valleys, transforming them into the narrow, deep inlets we now recognize as fjords. It's important to understand that fjords are not static entities. They continue to evolve due to ongoing geological processes. The moment of glaciers, changes in sea levels, and shifts in tectonic plates all contribute to the reshaping and further development of these natural wonders. In conclusion, fjords are geological masterpieces crafted through a delicate dance between glaciers, land, and the sea. The erosive powers of glaciers, isostatic rebound, and rising sea levels all combine to create these awe-inspiring natural features. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Your support means the world to me.